Hey babies, I got a few new things I'm excited to show you, so come on, let me show you what I got. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and watch all the way to the end to see what I got in new. Look what the heck I got. Look at this chair. I also went ahead and put these up on the wall. That was the gold-plated wall decor that I got from Ross that had been sitting there for I don't know how long. I went back to Ross and I got these to put on the other wall. So I'll just show you how I have arranged it and decorated it so far.
Got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Got hand with a time with a year. Here with them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me now? But you wanna lie me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Nigga told me so. Take it like you owe me something. Push it on the pussy like a button. King for a time, favorite, my people. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit bumping, jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace and Southeast. Diamond clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. Oh, guess she seen my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I see it. Start that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic, we're knocking letters. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I heard that California, we get nasty. I'm a daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with fake acid. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Look at me like you want it.
Y'all, I had thought about putting this mosaic cat in here on my desk. I got that from Ross, but I eventually decided not to keep it there because I did not want it to accidentally fall off of that desk and break. So I put it somewhere else for now, but hopefully I'll come back and incorporate it back into this room. Of course, I had to grab a couple of pillows to put in this chair. Now, I ended up taking that rug from the guest room, and putting it in here just to fill it out to see if I wanted a rug. I may end up getting a black and white cowhide rug that I've once had before because I think it would go great in here with that bench. But you all know I'm still not satisfied. I want the wall with the gold wall decor to be an accent wall and either have zebra print or some type of wallpaper. But the big thing in here is that I had to show you all this chair. It's like a crocodile type print. It is a little lower than what I wanted. I got a low chair instead of the high chair because I thought it was going to be too high for the desk, but it ended up working out pretty well. And y'all know I'll be changing out that desk pretty soon anyway, so now that I've gotten this chair, I think I'm gonna go with black curtains. But what do you think? Let me know. And then I later felt like that wall was too empty, so I originally bought this console table for a guest room. I did get it from Amazon. It's an acrylic chrome console table. So I just sat it here to see if I like it. You all know I am an Amazon affiliate marketer, and as an Amazon affiliate marketer, I do earn on qualifying purchases. So if you do like this console table, I will leave the link in the description box. So now let's go check out centerpieces for the dining room. So the last centerpiece I had here, the last one y'all saw was the fall centerpiece with the pumpkins. So I exchanged that. I put up some Christmas centerpiece before this one. And after Christmas, I put this one up. And the mirrored mosaic vase in the front, I did get from Ross. And just so you can see the Christmas centerpiece, here it is here. I put this reindeer in the front, which I got from Hobby Lobby. I just put that in the front, and then in those 3 candle holders in the back, I put in Christmas balls or Christmas ornaments, which I also got from Hobby Lobby, just to make it festive and Christmas-like. So. So before I show you my new centerpiece for the island, I do have to show you my Christmas decorations that I had on the island. These two boxes here I got from Hobby Lobby, and the wine bottle that lights up, I actually got that from Ross a few years back. How it works, there is a small battery pack underneath. It takes, I believe, 2 AA batteries, which you can turn off or on. I leave them on at night in the kitchen, and it really lights up the kitchen and looks really nice around Christmas time. And it's the same thing with the wine bottle. There's a place to put batteries underneath. But of course, after Christmas, I went back to my original centerpiece for the island, which were my small cherries. But surprise, this is what I really wanted to show you all. You remember what I had here before those big cherries? I had the smaller version, which I found from Ross, and I just sat them in that little mirrored turning dish. I loved my cherries, but I did see bigger ones online that I hadn't got yet. So for Christmas, my mother, she knows I have been looking for them. She brought me the big cherries. So I have since replaced my little cherries and put up the big cherries. And if you're wanting to know where she got those from, she got those from Home Goods. So those are the few items that I got around Christmas time that I wanted to show you all. But let's get into what I'm going to be working on for next week. Hey babies, just wanted to let y'all know I ordered a few things from Amazon. 1 of them came in today, so I won't be starting the DIY projects yet, but I did want to let you know that they have arrived and what to look forward to. So, and here we got some LED lighting. We have 2 sets. I believe 2 come in each box. So there's 2 in here and 2 in here. I actually needed 1 more box for what I'm trying to do, but I'm just gonna start out with these 2 to make sure I like it, and then I'll order the 3rd box. And I gotta remember what I ordered. Let's see. Oh, shoot. So I don't remember what this is called. Pretty. All right. Okay. So it won't be today, but at some point. Oh, that little square is already coming off. I don't know if you can see that. See that little square? Already coming off of there. But in the next day or so, I plan to try to cut these into strips, probably about as big as they are right now, divided up, being folded. And I'm going to try to wrap this table all the way around to disguise or cover the cracks that are on the ends there. So if you can picture that or imagine it, it's gonna look like that. I don't know if you can see it. Or it looks like this, going all the way around. I think that's cute. Y'all let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, if you think it's gonna work. I honestly think it's gonna be really pretty to have that going across the whole. I think it's gonna be pretty. So I plan to put these up underneath the island. And if that looks good, these must be for charging. If that looks good, then I plan to put them under the cabinets as well. I don't know what this is. Oh, a lot comes with this. Oh, the screws. Okay. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. But I'm gonna put these under this island. My mom says she saw it on TikTok. Let me show you. So I plan to put these under here. And they're supposed to be motion censored if I bought the right ones. So when I walk by at night and the lights are off, lights should come on underneath the island. And so not only am I gonna put them there if those work out, but I plan to put them under here as well. Now, of course, you can get them built in or whatnot, but I didn't. So I plan to put them here and put some here and maybe one here. So when I come through at night, yeah, I have this light right here, but I think it'll be cool and it'll match the island if when you walk through at night and pass by, these lights come on there and there. So, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I appreciate you for watching. Bye, babies.